Only SB19 has achieved this. All simula at wakas EP songs now charting in Line Music Japan. It's been 2 days at patuloy pa din ang pamamayagpag ng simula at wakas ng P-Pop King SB19, hindi lang locally kundi mas lalo na internationally. Now, we all have heard about Line Music Japan, the country's biggest streaming app, dahil nag-chart lang naman si Gento at number 1 on World Music category. Sumunod pa dito si Cream Zone at number 37, and this was on 2023. Fast forward to 2025 and Gento is still charting at the World Music category, now at number 17. Pero heto pa ang nakaka-proud at nakakahanga. All simula at wakas songs are charting in the World Music category top 100. Yes, you heard it right. Time has charted at number 4, Quit at number 52, Dunka at number 86, Eighton Ball at number 93, Damn at number 95, and Shooting for the Stars at number 98. Hindi man nalagpasan si Gento with its number 1 record, pero bihira lang na lahat ng kanta sa isang EP ay mag-chart dito, lalo na't This is Japan. And yes, SB19 is the only Filipino artist to have achieved this.